Hi friends, so this video shows how to install matplotlib with Python 3. So let me check the version of Python 3 which I installed. It's 3.8.2. So let me check the version of pip 3. So we need Python 3 and pip 3. So let me check the version of pip 3. It's 20.0.2. So if pip3 is not installed, you can install pip3 using this command apt install python 3-pip. This command will install pip3. So I already installed pip3. Okay, so let me clear the screen. So we can install matplotlib for Python 3 using pip3 package manager like this pip3 install matplotlib. You can see it's collecting matplotlib, downloading matplotlib 3.2 for Python 3.8. So it's a wheel file. You can see .whl 12 MB size. So now it's downloading the dependency packages numpy. Okay, installation completed. So let me clear the screen, then let me open Python 3 console, then do import matplotlib. See, it's working. So this way we can install matplotlib for Python 3.